Alright, so wanted to make this video about installing my single arm architectural Ghost Controls automatic gate opener. So we've got a driveway here and then that goes into the backyard, so we wanted to put a gate on it to keep the dog in the backyard. It was actually pretty easy to install. We got this farm gate for about $150 from Tractor Supply, and then the Ghost Controls arm, everything that we got with it was about $700. So not too bad to get something automatic in here, and of course we've got our cars programmed to open the gate when we come in and out. Couple of things I wanted to highlight here. The 6x6 post is required, either a 6x6 or a 3x3 metal post. We did the 6x6 wood that we've set in concrete, and we've also run a wire. You can either do it by solar power or plugged into an AC outlet. So we've run the wire down here in this groove, and then it's plugged into an outdoor outlet over here. We also purchased this wireless keypad to be able to get in from outside whenever we want to get in without the remote. But all in all, it took about a day to both hang the gate and then add the automatic arm to it. If you already have the gate hung, you can probably install this arm in 3 hours or less. Of course, depending on the type of gate that you have and the Ghost Control system that you get. We did just the single arm, but there are options for double arms, and then different capacities on the amount of weight that they're able to bear. So we've got a little cap on our wooden post. We've attached our control box in our battery box. And that's our setup. Thanks.